24 hours before the arch rivals India and Pakistan meet here in Colombo for the T20 World Cup group game, there was a rainbow seen above the Premadasa Stadium, perhaps indicating a lot of beauty and hope when the arch rivals meet on Sunday. And what is that question of hope that is lingering or that is hanging on this clash? Well, the hope is that there is handshake. But the two captains ahead of the clash did not make it clear whether they will shake hands at the toss. I asked Salman Ali Agha at the press conference and he said, let's wait till tomorrow. But he also did say that he would prefer that things went back to how it was before the Asia Cup. So clearly, the Pakistan side is eager to shake hands. What about India? Again, Surya Kumar Yadav confirming about Abhishek but not talking about handshake, said that please wait for 24 hours. Please wait till the time the toss happens and you will get to know. So no confirmation from the captain. The suspense still continue. None of the captains lifted the lid on the handshake saga. But I can tell you that after all the politics, after all the after the weeks of suspense, now that the two captains are here, their teams are here, fans are trickling in. They are really looking forward to the clash. Handshake or no handshake, they want a match. Because there is also prediction of rain in Colombo from 2 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the evening. After 7 o'clock, perhaps the rain will stop. And I must admit that, we've been speaking to the Met Office here and they say that once the rain stops, Premadasa Stadium will be good to go. Because the curator here says that the ground can be made ready in 45 minutes to an hour. And that's exactly what the fans want to listen. They want to know what is happening to handshake, what is happening to Abhishek. Abhishek also, Surya had a news about him. He was asked by one of the Pakistani journalists whether he's playing or not. And he said, if you want him to play, I'll play him tomorrow. So that was in a veiled way of saying that Abhishek is going to play tomorrow. And he is right in the middle. He's padded up to bat as well. So we know about Abhishek, but we really don't know about handshake as yet. But hoping that that will happen tomorrow when the two captains meet at toss. So far as the match is concerned, one can confirm that there will be rain. But once the rain stops, the Premadasa ground will be ready within 45 to 60 minutes for the encounter to start. By chance, there is no match tomorrow, then points will be split by India and Pakistan because the group game doesn't have a reserve day. Remember, both the teams are here after winning their initial two encounters. Pakistan, of course, have been here for a longer period of time because they have been playing all their matches in Colombo. India came in amidst fan frenzy yesterday and today, a day ahead of the match, the first day when they got a glimpse of the Premadasa beauty. They are right now in Premadasa Stadium practicing, honing their skills, trying to adjust themselves under the lights in Premadasa. The weather here is perfectly fine for a T20 match. Of course, they came from different conditions in Delhi, so they have 24 hours to acclimatize themselves. There is a little bit of drizzle. There is a lot of breeze blowing. So if the breeze blows and continues to take the cloud cover off, then there will be no rain. Even on Saturday, 80% rain was expected, but there was only drizzle, no rain happened. So most of the day, the Premadasa Stadium covers were essentially guarding the square and not the entire ground. But if rain comes down, if it is pelting down, then there is enough infrastructure to guard the entire ground and then make it ready for the game within an hour.